Union, and because they hadn't supported United Ireland, they'd gone to the Woolsack. They supported the Crown rather than the half crown. And I wrote this poem, inspired by the late Roger Casement. He's buried in County Antrim, as a matter of fact. The ghost of Lord Craigavon walks the Shankill Road. I saw it in the shadows, just beyond the lamplight, through the mist and smoke fall of lingering winter dusk. I saw it in the sad eyes of weary Belfast workers, in hum of bustling Shankill between the hills and gantries. The ghost of Lord Craigavon walks the Shankill Road. The ghost of Edward Carson stalks the Newtonards Road. I saw it peer through windows of dreary back street houses and bend to touch the blood stains upon the dirty pavements. I saw it drift with loch breeze above the shipyard slipways in the evening when the soft mist caressed the muddy lagan. The ghost of Edward Carson walks the Newtonards Road. The ghosts of Ulster's dead men haunt the valley roads. I saw them in the twilight, the blood-stained clay of Somme, muck-lie of casements Woolsack with gaunt and ghastly faces. I saw them as the darkness stole into Lagan Basin, just beyond the lamplight, in black deepening shadows. The ghosts of Ulster's dead men haunt the valley roads.